The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Burleigh County in south-central North Dakota until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 9 miles south of Wing, or 27 miles northeast of Bismarck, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Burleigh County, including the following locations: Arena. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.